Welcome to ElliptiGo's online support videos. In this video, we will show how to remove the load wheels. You will need the following tools: a 6mm Allen wrench, a 2.5mm Allen wrench, a small flathead screwdriver, or if you have, a dental pick, and a rag. If you have our road repair kit, the multi-tool will have the wrenches you will need to remove the drive arm. Start by using the 2.5mm Allen wrench to remove the back two track insert screws. Just the back two screws that you'll need to remove. With a 6mm Allen wrench, detach the drive arm from the crank arm, as if you're changing the stride length. For the right drive arm, the wrench should be turned clockwise when looking at the wrench side to loosen the threads. For the left drive arm, it is reverse threaded, so the wrench should be turned counterclockwise, also when looking from the wrench side to loosen the drive arm threads. Fully detach the drive arm from the crank arm. Flip your drive arm over and place the rag between the drive arm and the track frame to protect the frame and the drive arm from damage. Slide the load wheels out the rear of the track. Now we remove the load wheels. There is a spiral retaining ring that holds the load wheels to the axle. To remove the retaining ring, use the small flathead screwdriver. Note the notch at the edge of the retaining ring. Gently pry off the notch over the axle and unspiral. It'll unspiral like a keychain, allowing you to remove the load wheels. Next, slide your load wheel and axle through the sides of the drive arm and reinstall the spiral retaining ring. To do that, slide the notch of the retaining ring over the axle and then spiral around with your thumb to snap into place. Make sure that the spiral retaining ring is fully seated on the axle so the load wheels do not slide off. Now flip the drive arm over and reattach the crank arm using the 6mm Allen wrench. Make sure to place the pedal washer on the crank arm prior to threading the drive arm bolt. For the right drive arm, the wrench should be turned counterclockwise when facing the wrench to tighten the threads. For the left drive arm, the wrench should be turned counterclockwise when looking from the wrench side. Now reinsert the back two track insert screws. Make sure not to over tighten, but just secure the screws to the track bed.